The first official look at our new walkway and stone patio. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a short video on the new walkway we had installed a couple weeks ago. Now this was not a DIY project. We actually hired a professional company to come in and install this for us. At the time of making this video, we've been in our home for about 10 years. And we've always talked about putting in a permanent walkway, something we could be really proud of that would finish off the front of our home, as well as have a space that was really functional for our family needs. The crew at J&L Masonry and Hardscapes were fantastic to work with, and they got the job completed in about a week. Check out these before and after photos. You can really see the difference the new walkway makes. Before we had just a stone gravel walkway along with wooden steps. The new stone really finishes off the house. Everything is really tied into the landscaping, and the patio is just an amazing space to hang out day and night. We love how the cobblestone was used as a border for the landscaping on both sides of the patio. It will be much easier now to keep the mulch in the garden and not have it spill over into the walkway or patio. The attention to detail on this whole project is just amazing. Everything is an upgrade from the walkway, the patio, stone steps, as well as all of the edging. This space in front of the house is really important because it's east facing, keeping us out of the western sun, especially in the summer months. This space also works really great at night. We're looking forward to spending many nights on the patio with family and friends, enjoying each other's company, especially with this new gas fireplace we just recently picked up. There is a link below in the description of this video if you're interested in that gas fireplace. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. The main reason I made this is because I figured at some point in the future people would see this walkway in some of my future videos and probably wonder where and when did this project happen. Again, we're really happy with how this project turned out, and we're looking forward to using this for many, many years to come. Thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come on back for more videos. Take care.